Hey, it's John with JohnLaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. Today's episode is kind of an unboxing. I bought this Dometic hydration water jug over at REI yesterday in preparation for a trip that we're going to take cross country to California here pretty soon. We're going to be gone a couple of weeks. It's the winter time. We're going to be traveling over mountain passes through cold weather and different things in our van. And so we are going to do some dry camping, so we don't want to fill up our water tank in the van and get our pipes in the van and stuff frozen. So what we're going to do instead is do a little dry camping, have this Dometic hydration water jug in our van and use that. We'll see how that goes, and then I'll do a review and let you guys know how functional this thing is. But let me tell you a little bit about it here in this video. We've got a max fill line here. I think it holds about 5 gallons of water. I'm pretty sure that's what 11 liters translates to, but I'll throw some numbers up on the screen just to make sure. Again, this is made by Dometic, very reputable company, and you can tell that the build quality on this thing is amazing. It does have a couple straps up here at the top for easy carry once you got the water in there. The straps are removable with Velcro, so that's kind of nice. We've also got a couple different things up here at the top. So first of all, you take this cap off and then you can fill the water in there. So it's nice and big, nice big opening. And then on this side, you've got a Nalgene cap size lid here, and then a place to pour the water out from, but you've also got this little insert in here. It looks like this is a silicone insert, just to make your pouring a little bit more streamlined. And we'll put this cap back on, but you'll notice on this side, on this valve, you can open this up to let some air in for easy pour. But there's also an attachment here that you can attach a faucet. Yeah, you heard that right. It's actually a USB powered faucet, so it charges via USB. The faucet can like just sit here on the top, and so you have basically running water at camp. You could take this in your van, you could take this car camping, set it out on a picnic table at your campsite, and have actually running water out of a faucet, which is pretty cool. So you'll notice there's another tube in here to draw the water out, and this opening is really great because it's nice and big. You can get your hand in here to clean it, and I actually do have a little bit of a surprise too. This thing actually goes where this cap goes, and then what you can do is you can turn this thing around, and you've got a nice valve here that you can open and close. Turn this on its side off the edge of a picnic table or edge of a counter in a van, and then you've got a way to pour water nice and easy. Wash your hands under it without wasting the water. So this is really from what I can tell as a first look at this thing, I'm pretty impressed. And again, I mentioned the build quality. I mean, this thing is durable as heck, and it's constructed from BPA-free material. They call it LLDPE. I'll have to do some research on what that means. But again, it is compatible with the Dometic hydration faucet as well. And I hope you've enjoyed this first look at the Dometic hydration water jug. 11 liters. I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can check this product out online, and let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks very much for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video.